adventure in itself, travelling in a 31-year-old car without air conditioning and 40-degree heat.
Air conditioning in the car
has packed up, so we don't have any air conditioning in the car while we're driving, and it's been so hot. I don't know how we're going to cope. But this is our plan. This is a portable air conditioner we bought from Amazon. We don't know if it's going to work or not. We haven't tested this out. So Mike's made this thing to go in the window.
It comes with one all pre-cut, but that's more for the driver's window. Groove in there.
We didn't know if it was going to work. We'll just suck the life out of our battery.
Down this end is the cool air.
Alright, so this is what I blow on me. Or Mike. It reminds me of like the robot off Lost in Space. Danger, Will Robinson, danger!
Satisfaction. Well, I wouldn't know. It's beyond my imagination. I keep my pants up high and my zipper closed, and people wonder why I never get rid of those awesome looking sunglasses that I got at the eBay.
So there's our ugly air conditioner. So we're almost ready to move on from our house sit, get off on new adventures, but we've got to say goodbye to our new family. And from our trip to Austin, and to remind us of Texas, we've got a fridge magnet. Look at this.
Austin!
Oh, it's cute. Right a place. Oh, I love combi vans.
Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know.
So we've just left our house sit. Sad to say goodbye to the dogs and the cats. They've been our family for the last 4 or 5 weeks. But we're heading off, now we're heading north. We've actually got another house sit in Connecticut. So we've got 5 weeks to get to Connecticut. So we'll do some tiki touring on the way there. We had a long hot drive ahead of us. But first, there was one place we had to stop. Just going to Buc-ee's, and we're going to go find something to eat. And everyone kept telling us to try this place. To try is beaver nuggets when in Rome. Well, that was the busiest Buc-ee's ever. Getting out. Right, so we got sucked in by the hype. But we thought, well, when in Texas, we gotta try Buc-ee's. So Mike got a pulled pork sandwich. I got a chopped brisket sandwich and beaver nuggets. We'll probably end up chucking these. I can't see us liking them. Oh yeah, so it's just a bun with pulled pork on it. So what's the verdict?
Sort of smoky, barbecue, spicy, pulled pork in the bun. It's quite nice actually.
It is nice. Now I'm going to try mine.
Brisket bun.
I don't think I'm going to like it. It's all messy. It's just basically smoked brisket with a sauce and a brioche bun. It's actually pretty good. It's actually better than what I was expecting for a service station burger. It's actually quite nice, I thought. I probably could have done without the sauce on it. It was actually a lot better than I thought it was going to be. What did you think?
Yes, not too bad after all.
So we'll try the beaver nuggets a little bit later, because we're full right now. Probably going to end up chucking them out. Just driving through the town of Crockett. We arrived at Davy Crockett National Park and got our bikes out for the first time. We cycled to a lake and thought about going for a swim, but it was like walking into a hot bath. The lady there informed us the water temperature was 93 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 34 degrees Celsius, but it sure felt hotter than that. We decided not to have a swim, as it would likely just make us feel more sticky. So now we're going to try these beaver balls, see what they're all about. They're going to go all over the floor, aren't they? I can see it happening. Beaver nuggets.
So Jo will stop testing them when she gets to the bottom of the packet.
They're very sweet. I'll probably end up chucking this big bag because they're full of sugar.
to see what the flavour is. Is that honey? Caramelised honey or something?
Brown sugar, cornmeal, corn syrup, vegetable oil, margarine, palm oil, kernel. Oh, don't read the. That's just, if you're gonna eat these, don't read the ingredients. Just eat them. Or probably better yet, just don't buy them. Don't buy them to start with. And it's a bioengineered food ingredient.
Got me on a high now.
We're just in Davy Crockett National Forest. Stopped here for the night. Beautiful spot, but it's so hot, so we're going to get an early start because we don't have any air conditioning. Saw some deer out here this morning, just grazing away. I'll show you Mike's new sewer system. It's all in there.
잔잔하기만 하던 온 나의 마음에 quite suddenly 퐁당 또 퐁당
The new system works so far.
던진 너
Today we've crossed from Texas to Louisiana, now we're into Arkansas. It's going to be a big driving day today because I'm mucked up with my time frame. I'll explain a bit more a bit later.
병에라도 걸렸나 봐요 아야 아파 아른아른거려 잠이 오질 않아
We're just at Lake Chillicothe State Park, Greenville, Arkansas. It's a nice little spot for the night. Look at this. Done 6 hours driving today. It's been hot, no air conditioning. Our portable air conditioner didn't work too great. It technically worked, but only if it was pointed directly at you. And even then, barely. And it just turned out to be too much hassle to use. It'll probably work better when it's not quite so hot. So we had a bit of rain today, bit of a torrential rain as we're driving along, but it's actually cooled it down a bit. It's quite pleasant out here at the moment.
It's an oxbow lake. It's a curve in the river, which has then been isolated from the river. The river used to go like that, and it's gone straight like that, and then this is the lake. After a full day of driving in the heat, we could finally relax. But we've just realised something. We thought we had about 6 weeks to get to Connecticut. Turns out we've only got 4, which means we're already behind. And from here on, this trip's going to look a little different than we planned. So we're going to get some rest here, and tomorrow we continue heading north. We'll see you in the next one.